Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to cancel a scheduled payment on your HDFC NetBanking, maybe it is a future bill or transfer you no longer need. So here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to come on this website, that is netbanking.hdfcbank.com/netbanking. Once you are on this page, you need to provide your customer ID or your user ID first, and then you need to press continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to provide your password and you need to basically log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in your net banking of HDFC, your home page or the interface should look something like this. Here in the top, you will see fund transfer and the bill pay or the recharge option. So you need to tap on any of these depending on where your scheduled payment was made. After clicking on that option, you need to simply click on the view scheduled transfer option, or you can also select the scheduled bill payments. So in your scheduled bill payments, you need to basically select that particular scheduled payment which you want to cancel. After selecting that, you will be able to see the cancel or the delete option. So you need to select that option and you need to confirm your action when asked, and that's it. The payment will be processed and it will be cancelled. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.